Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another video. Today I am going to show you how to do some drawing using the Spline command. So we'll type that in, Spline, Spline, whatever you want to call it. I'm calling it Spline. So we'll click that. Please specify the first point. So we'll just start here and we'll come along, say 750 mil. And as you can see, it's got that point, and now it's got this sort of spline. So then what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring that down in line with this one, and we'll call it 500. And then if we want to, we can go along this tangent, this line, say 750. And then we can join that up there, hopefully. Yeah, and that is how you use the spline command. So thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.